We have made it.
Rochester, New York.
Going to check out the abandoned subway station. What a beautiful view though.
Right here. Abandoned subway that runs all the way under. Water is running underneath the buildings here. It's wild. Ben's first time Rochester. Oh, lighting up a dart.
So just anybody walks through this or what?
Whoa.
Pretty much?
No.
Really?
It's what they might call not legal.
Well, how do we get in? I need to know. I'd say let's go down there and check it out. The guy's still walking over there, but might as well send him.
Alright, let's go. Welcome back to Free For All. In today's video, we're checking out the abandoned subway system in Rochester, New York. Now, this line operated from 1927 to 1956. It was 7 miles in total length, and only 2 miles of it ran underground in the downtown area of Rochester, New York. Now, it closed due to low ridership. This place is pretty creepy, especially going at night. You don't know who you're going to run into, what's going to be going on down there. So we had to be a little cautious while walking around, but very cool place. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, made it in.
Down this way first.
Yeah, so that part goes underneath some of the main buildings downtown, I think. Some of the graffiti down here is unbelievable.
There's a lot of it. Like, look at this one. It's really cool.
Yeah, we walked on it last time. It was pretty sketchy. It goes way down. Pretty dang creepy down here, not gonna lie. Huh? I know, I think there's there might be people right there. See all that stuff? I can't tell if there's people over there or not.
This goes closer to downtown too. I mean, we're in like the heart of downtown right now, but this goes like closer to some of the buildings.
This is like some of the stuff you'll find up here. People are making their makeshift houses. This is like a makeshift bed here, burnt up mattress. Brutal. It's sad. Some people have to live like that.
High pressure steam, that tube says.
That looks newer.
Yeah, looks like a newer steam pipe. which also runs over here. And it sounds like there's water or steam running over there, so they might still use part of that.
I don't know what's active.
Back when we were here a few years ago, this piece, it's like a baseball card. It was incredible. And I mean, at least you could still see the top of it, but somebody had to paint over the bottom of it, of course, and yeah, it just sucks.
Right there is downtown. We're going away from downtown, and this part's like a straightaway section of track, and gonna be a little bit more sketchy for sure. Not sure who's down here, what we're gonna run into, but it's all part of the adventure.
Oh, that's small.
Hopefully we don't find any dead bodies. Some of this graffiti is very old, been here a long time, but we're also gonna find the new graffiti too. There's tracks, car tracks down here. The city definitely comes down here. Probably to inspect piping and stuff, I have no idea. From when you look it up online though, it kind of seems like, yeah, track right here. Seems like a ton of people come down here and it's never really a big deal, so. That's like into a business or something right there. It's like the basement of something. Yeah, look at that. It's like a basement of a business. Looks like they added some support over the years to keep the tunnel from collapsing. I'm assuming that's why the city comes down here, to fix all the pipes and everything that run along the ceiling from business to business.
As we get deeper, it's just gonna keep getting more and more quieter. We're hearing some noises though, not really sure if it's people living down here or what. Pretty spooky though.
Hello?
Huh? What's that? What do you mean?
Like a bunch of stuff. Here's another either emergency exit or this would have been up to the street to come down and board a train. Can't really fill this all in either. You just have to leave all this down here. The streets are right above it. It costs more to get rid of it than just to leave it. These are like giant paragraphs written on the wall here. Spray painted. Very like accurately spray painted, but they're huge. Someone took the time to write all that. That's from a TV show, right? Little blue guy? Little animated show.
Not sure if that's like from all the concrete they moved or what, but just piles of concrete there on the side.
A lot of people burning stuff down here. This was definitely an old homeless camp. Someone burned a mattress completely. Wild. I don't know if that would have been an elevator shaft back in the day or what. Not sure. Definitely creepy down here though. You just, what the heck?
There's a boat right here. What in the actual hell? How would you even get that down here? That is wild. There's a legit boat down here, like on a trailer. These trees are growing through the floor of the boat. It's been down here a while. What in the actual hell? I'm blown away right now. Because the city wouldn't put this down here, so that means someone found a way to get down here and brought their boat down here to get rid of it.
Yeah, this is super random.
This was not here before.
No, definitely not. Holy cow.
Oh, that's cool.
Another insane piece. Wow. Unbelievable. So good.
I thought it looked like a jet ski too, but I couldn't tell. It kind of looked like a raft. But it's a legit jet ski. You know what it was? Stolen. Why else would you leave a brand? That's a nice jet ski.
See if there's tags on them.
That's not like an old one. Yeah, this really faded from last time we were here.
We hear people, but it doesn't sound like they're down here. Sounds like they're on the other side of this concrete or above us.
This is how they got that boat down here.
Yeah, they just drove it down here. I don't know if anybody can just drive their car down here or what.
Ben, I'm starting to think if anyone could bring their car down here, we get the rental down here.
Yeah.
We could.
It's not in my name.
End of the line here. So this is probably where it would have connected to. Yeah, that one's cool. Mm-hmm.
Somebody took a photo of down by the start and then wheat pasted it on the wall here. Pretty cool.
We're emerging from the Rochester, New York subway system here, and
There is a New York highway.
to a Rochester, New York highway. Yep. What'd you say?
There is a
So the people just drove their damn boat down here. Just absolutely crazy.
How's this building?
Yeah, how'd they get? Yeah, new apartments are building right next to it. How'd they get? What'd they do? Jump the? This must have not been here before when they did it, because there's no way you could get.
Well, we just made it out. Pretty cool. Kind of creepy at night, but surprisingly didn't run into any people. We're gonna walk back downtown from above ground this time and enjoy the views of the city.
Pretty spooky down there. So back in the day, the train would have came out here and then probably ran along the road here to who knows where, next stop. So right down there is the subway.
Oh, the Rochester Red Wings. That's the Twins. That's the Twins, like single A or double A.
We're gonna walk the road back instead of taking the tunnel back, but classic spot. Always creepy down there at night, even though it's our first time at night.
That was cool.
Definitely worth it. Rochester, New York. Pretty cool.
Rochester's a cool city.